Hi, this is Rubal from Tech Review. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the error 0x800706be when updating Windows 11 or Windows 10. To fix this error, click on the Start menu, type CMD. After appearing the command prompt, right-click on it, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Now type the command sfc/scan now. Press enter. Please wait until finishing it. It will take some time. After finishing the command, type another command DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Press enter. Please wait. It will also take some time. After finishing the command, restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Take care.